This is the truth. If we turn things upside down, thanks to the internet, peoples of our planet won't have peace and prosperity. I would be lying to you if I said that the net will have a bright future. Our world will technologically evolve, the global web economy will be strong, and our children will be safely online. You can be sure that, thanks to internet's behavior, this is the connected society we live in. You should know that I believe exactly the opposite. This is the connected society we live in. Thanks to internet's behavior, you can be sure that our children will be safely online. The global web economy will be strong, and our world will technologically evolve. The net will have a bright future. I would be lying to you if I said that, thanks to the internet, peoples of our planet won't have peace and prosperity. If we turn things upside down, this is the truth.